Hey guys, it's Afsar, and today we are doing a house tour in our new Georgia house. So first here we have, this is the front door. These are the windows. Okay, so all the way to here is the living room. So this is the living room. It has a couch, a big Samsung Q900 series TV, a fireplace, my piano, and here we have is the dining room. The dad's with me. So here's his computer. Oh, we just got one. So here we have the dad's laptop. Here we have the kitchen. So there's a stove, an oven. And here we have this one counter with the drawers. These have all of our accessories. Our mittens, our Mickey Mouse mittens, our tongs. So this also and a basting brush for grilling. And we have a pizza cutter and wood. And this is the microwave and the cupboards. And here we have is our silverware and plastic stuff. This is my soup spoon. This is my grandpa's. And here we have is a knife, a very big knife. Make sure don't touch it when you're a kid. And here we have is the sink. So this is where my mom washed. And this is where they put. And there's another counter with a dishwasher. And here we have is the smoke. That's 3 And this is the pantry. We even have instant noodles. Nutella. And I'll show you the guest bathroom. So this is the guest bathroom. It has a mirror, a sink, and a toilet, but no showers or bath. And this is where we put our shoes and stuff. And this is our garage. It's kind of dark in there. Now let's go upstairs. So here we have is the playroom. So the playroom next to, and this is our room. We have a bed, that's our table, beanbag, sofa, my bed, and my sister's stuff. And here we have is a master bathroom. This is the master. Okay, so here we have is a bathtub, a shower, a closet. Yep, the closet. I put on some prices. And here we have is the bathroom. It has a toilet. Separate. Now I'm going to show you our guest bedroom. Look, first, this is the laundry, that's the dryer. Here we have the guest bedroom. This is going to be my room. So there's a beanbag, a bed, a TV, freshener, and these, a closet, and a guitar, and a globe. And I'll show you the guest. I'll show you the bathroom. So there's a bathtub next to the shower, a toilet, weight machine, sink, and we're almost done. How this is they put my grandma and grandpa's clothes. This is grandma and grandpa's room. So here we have, this is their TV, their drawer, their bed, their stool, this is what they, and their other accessories. And here they are, their closet. I'll turn on the lights and go little, the closet. And here's the attic. But we can't let you show that because the landlord said no. And that's the end of the video. Bye!